VP Online Product Breakdown Structure Generator is a professional tool that helps you visualize and organize all parts of a product into manageable components. In VP Online, go to AI Tools, select Product Breakdown Structure Generator. Enter your product description, then press the Generate Product Breakdown Structure button. A diagram will be generated below, with components suggested by AI as inspiration. If you already have specific ideas, include them in your description. Regenerate the diagram, and your inputs will be added. You can then edit and save the diagram by clicking the View or Edit Diagram button. All text content is editable. You can also customize the node style, such as adjusting text width and node padding. By selecting individual nodes, you can further personalize their styles. To save the diagram for future use, press the Save button and log into your account. The diagram will then be saved to your workspace. If you are using the Combo Edition or above, your saved diagram will appear without a watermark. You can reopen your saved diagrams anytime to continue editing, even customizing details like the node border style. When finished, export the diagram in your preferred format and download it to your device.